For our lunch today, we have broccolini. We have chicken pesto asparagus in white sauce. It's very yummy, guys. And then we have here quinoa salad. So ayan ang ating lunch today. It's very nutritious and it's very healthy salad. Missing ang rice ni Mommy. Walang rice si Mommy, guys, but instead we have our quinoa. So no problem. A change for our carbs. We have quinoa salad for our lunch. So you have to get rid of the fat sa ating chicken and then you have to slice it into half. Ayan ang ating ingredients, guys. Meron tayo ditong asparagus, meron tayong pesto, tomato, and for our white sauce, we have to add flour, butter, and chicken cubes. Ayan lang siya. Very simple and very yummy. So after you slice, we're going to soften our meat. So ang akin, guys, I will use a ziplock para hindi magpisik-pisik. Ano ba yung tawag dyan? Mas splatter yung juice ng ating chicken, di ba? So if you don't have mullet, use your hammer. So ito, guys, napakaliit na hammer ko. Pang ano ko siya? Pang ice crusher. So ayan siya. You just season after that with black pepper or whatever seasoning, guys. Sa akin, guys, gusto ko siya black pepper and garlic salt. Very simple lang seasoning. Don't add a lot dahil pesto is already salty. And then you have to slice your tomato very thinly dahil i-wrap natin siya ng ating chicken. So, okay na itong isang tomato dahil 4 lang naman na chicken. Sa ating chicken naman, lagyan natin siya ng 2 tablespoon or 1 tablespoon. It's up to you, guys. Dahil minsan, some chickens are small. This chicken is a little bit bigger. So, itansya ninyo na lang na how much pesto you're going to add. So, ito siya siguro mga 2 tablespoon of pesto. Itong dalawa dahil malaki. And then, itong dalawang maliit, siguro tama na siya mga 1 tablespoon lang. So, ayan, pesto is salty. So, you have to just adjust your seasoning. Ayan siya. You have to just wipe your pesto to your chicken and then top it with tomato and then roll it. Ooh, I'm so excited. And then, bake it for 30 minutes for 380 degrees. Ayan, very simple. Since wala akong toothpick to lock our meat, ang ginagamit ko dito is pang barbecue na, pang barbecue na stick ang ginagamit ko. So, walang problema. To just cut the barbecue stick dahil maano siya, guys, longer siya. Sa aking chicken naman, I have to sear it a little bit para mag-brown lang siya, para maganda naman. But you don't need to cook through, diba? Dahil we have to bake our chicken for 30 minutes. So, pang-brown lang siya para maganda ang lasa ng ating chicken. After you seared your chicken into golden brown, you have to transfer it to another pan para i-oven bake natin siya for 30 minutes for 380 temperature. So, ayan siya. And then, you have to add your white sauce. Ayan siya. Ito ang ating white sauce, guys. This is just 1.5 cup of water and 2 or 3 tablespoons of flour. And then, we have to top our chicken with this white sauce. And then, lagyan natin siya ng asparagus on the side para maluto din siya together with our chicken. So, that's it. Very simple and very easy to cook. Wow, looking good. To our white sauce, guys, just use the same pan. Dahil masarap naman yung lasa ng ating chicken, di ba? So, ayan siya. We're going to add our asparagus para pag maluto na si chicken, maluto din ang asparagus natin. So, this, I call it chicken pesto asparagus. Isn't it yummy? Look at that. To my quinoa salad, I add a lot of spring onions. Siguro mga 6 pieces of spring onions. You have to slice it very thinly and then season your salad. So make sure, guys, sa inyong salad, you have to add 4 tablespoons of lime. So, walang rice ngayon si Mommy. Oh, walang rice ba? We have quinoa salad and this yummy broccolini. Gusto ko talaga si broccolini. I prefer broccolini than broccoli. But they are the same family, you know. For some reason, gusto ko si broccolini dahil I will just pick it up and then eat it. Maybe that's the reason why. So, ayan siya. If you want to season your broccolini, sa iluto nyo pa lang ng tubig, season it with salt. It's up to you, guys. So, luto ng ating lunch. Ito na si chicken pesto asparagus. So, ayan, guys. Very yummy ang ating lunch today. So, come on, people. Let's have our lunch. Nauna na si Mommy dahil pinili niya yung malaki. Ayan siya, guys. And we are going to add a little bit of sauce and asparagus. So, ayan siya. I love the sauce of this white sauce, guys. So, ito na ang ating lunch for today, guys. So, every time we have lunch, I will share with you kung ano yung niluto ko na bago, diba? So, hindi naman ito bago. I've been cooking this many times. But, for now, I will share it to you dahil vlogger na tayo, diba? So, ito siya ang ating chicken pesto asparagus. This is our limonata. It's yummy. Well, guys, our lunch is chicken asparagus pesto. Yeah, that's a good one, huh? Chicken asparagus pesto or chicken pesto a la asparagus. It's good. And then we have this broccolini. My favorite broccolini. And My chicken is good, especially the sauce. Okay. Okay, guys, our lunch. Well, continue for my lunch. And now that they're gone. So this chicken, guys, is with pesto. I slice the chicken into half, chicken breast, and then I add 1 tablespoon of pesto, 1 or 2 tablespoons, yeah, 2 tablespoons of pesto each, and top with tomato, and you wrap it. These guys are yummy. Limonata.